Bonehead Guitars. Let's go build some junk. Welcome back to the Guitar Builder's Workout. Okay, so I'm going to poke my guide holes, and we can get on our way to getting that done and be done with the headstock. Alright, with the help of my old pair of calipers and this piece of trash test piece, I'm pretty confident we can fit those Grovers just right with 21/64 on the face and 25/64 on the back. It's gotta happen, Captain. I will start with the smaller of the two, not because it's smaller. I'll start with the face. Okay, well, however well or bad we did, it's done. recurring theme. The number of times I have to say, this is not my favorite job. This is one of them. I do not enjoy fretting. However, it's pretty awesome to get it on there. To see him finally there. Yep. Cut them a little oversized, of course. I just looked to get some kind of idea on how much tang I think needs to come off. And we'll do a little, and then we'll take a look. And I almost always have to take a little bit more. But you have to keep in mind, you should have put a little more radius on the wire than there is on the board. And as a result, you're going to have to cut your tang just a little bit short of the slot, because once it flattens out in there, not really flattens, but kind of flattens, it's going to spread a little. I'm not going to make you watch the whole fret job. I hate that. The rest of them are going to look just like those. A little bit of angle, and I don't measure it, it's just a little. You definitely don't want to go overboard. Bam. Thanks for hanging out and watching. If you're digging what we're doing, like this video, go subscribe. We'll catch you next time. More goodies to come.